Namaste, this is Dr. Anand Banda, an educator, trainer and motivational speaker. I welcome you all to my channel Metamorphosis, a channel dedicated towards progressive thinking, learning and growing. It is being said that different people have different levels of confidence, and it is with this level of confidence they attempt any event or activity given to them. And the results or the outcome of any activity depends upon the level of confidence exerted by the people. Confidence is the belief in oneself of possessing the knowledge, expertise or the skill in the chosen area. More is the expertise, more is the confidence level. Well, it was a pre-Diwali occasion when one of the businessmen in the town who had a big farmhouse on the outskirts of the city thought of throwing a party. But this was a very unique and peculiar party. The people whom were invited were youngsters, that is the youth of the town. And very soon when this was announced, this was the hot topic of discussion in the town, and everybody were very eager about participating in this particular party. And very soon the day of the party arrived, and when the party was supposed to start at 6 p.m. in the evening, most of them had made a beeline to the farmhouse at 5:30 itself, because they all wanted to enjoy the party, enjoy the evening. And as they approached the farmhouse, they were welcomed, they were offered welcome drinks, they were offered snacks, and they were enjoying themselves with a beautifully decorated farmhouse which was lit up. And there was music being played, and people were enjoying around. And after half an hour, that was 6 p.m. exactly, the landlord or the host of the party arrived. And he welcomed the entire youth, and he asked them to enjoy themselves, and he wished them a very happy Diwali in advance. Having said that, he brought the attention of all the youth to a swimming pool which was at the center of the farmhouse. And he told them that this particular swimming pool is being filled with water, and also along with scorpions, crabs, glass pieces, thorns and other poisonous substances. And he said that the person who is going to dive into the pool and swim across from one side to another and reaches the other side in the minimum time will be awarded 50 lakhs. It's really a good sum. Any youth who is good at swimming would have easily taken away 50 lakhs that evening. But when this announcement was made, there was pin drop silence. Yes, there was one person already in the pool, and he was swimming to the best of his ability. And if his swimming speed was to be measured, he could have matched up with almost Olympic record holders. And he swam across the pool, and he reached on the other side of the pool, and he came out of the pool. Now the host of the party came running to meet this brave youth. He came and congratulated him, and he said that, "Hey young man, you are the bravest among the 500 odd people who have gathered here. None of them plunged into the water, but you have done it. I am really very, very happy with your bravery." And he said that 50 lakhs is not the amount that I am going to give you today, but I have doubled it. I am going to pay you 1 crore. My dear friends, a wonderful opportunity. And just hold on. Having announced that, the landlord said one more thing. He also offered his daughter in marriage to the youth, because he had shown a lot of bravery this evening. But there was not much of response from the youth. With a hazy face, he said, "I neither need your 1 crore nor your daughter, but I am searching for the person who pushed me into the water." Yes, my dear friends, this person who plunged into the water and swam across very fast and reached the other side of the pool, he was actually pushed into the water, but he did not take the plunge into the water. Well, this is what happens most of the time. So here the landlord was actually experimenting with the mindsets of the people. Actually speaking, the pool was not filled with any poisonous or harmful substance, it was only water in that. But all this time, what the landlord was doing was, he was trying to create some illusion in the minds of the people by saying that it is being filled with thorns, crabs or scorpions. All this was to create an illusion, so that he wanted to check, besides this, who would like to take the first step and plunge into the water. And most of the time, this is what happens, my dear friends. The minds of the people are being camouflaged, or they are being filled up with lot of clutter. This clutter can be in terms of fear, or it can be in terms of failure, or maybe ridicule, which the people would have experienced during their childhood. And what happens is, when these people would have failed at something during their childhood, it forms a dent or a scar on the mind, and they never attempt at it again. Because they failed it during their childhood, they feel that they are never going to achieve this. Even though they have grown up, this is what is in their mind. So these are called as mental blocks. These mental blocks are going to ridicule the person, or they are going to hinder the person from growth. So let me give another example. In this case, there are many people who don't attempt at bicycling. See, some people, they would have tried at learning bicycle during their early years, and while doing so, because they are very young and their feet don't reach the ground and they are not able to balance, they fall down and they would have hurt their arm or limb very badly. So this forms a very bad scar in their mind, and each time they attempt to do that is cycling, this is what reminds them, and they move away from that. They feel that no, I'm not going to do this, and this is what forms as a mental block for them, and it hinders from trying or growing up in their life. Well, friends, it is up to individuals to understand and dig up these mental blocks and declutter their minds and fill it up with positivity and a feeling that they are going to achieve it. And they have to fill it up with success, not failure. Okay. So, well, that is what is called as confidence. Okay. How people learn confidence is to just try to understand what their mind is saying and what are the mental blocks, try to reach to them, and then clear them slowly one by one and fill it up with positivity, success, happiness, and whatever they can achieve which comes from the success. Well, friends, another quote in the case, it is being said that races are won in the minds of the people even before they are started on the tracks. Well, let me just explain to you this. It means that even before people start the race, they win it. It means that in the mind they have decided that they are the winners. Once they have decided it, the mind is going to act on their body, and that is how they are going to perform and they are going to win it. Rather, if they have the fear of failure or rejection, that is how they are going to perform. So, well, that is the learning from today's video, my dear friends. So what I can tell you is always look into your fears, the mental blocks which you had since your childhood, and try to declutter them, clear them, fill it up with positivity, happiness, success. That is what's going to help you when growing up in life. Well, if you like this video, do share it with your friends so that everybody benefits from this. And I also request you people to like this video, and also you can spread among your people.